True to form.
All right. I told her I look sneaky on that picture, y'all. She gonna talk about some true to form.
You guys are gonna love this. I guarantee it.
Somebody did ask me if I was gonna mukbang today, and I said I don't know, but here it is, guys. Yum.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get a piece of everything on one fork.
Wow.
There we go. Piece of everything on one fork. Oh my. I wish I could tell all you guys, come on over. Let's eat.
Oh wow.
That's delicious.
Look at that salmon, how flaky it is. Yum.
It's cooked perfectly. Like 20 minutes only. So good.
I love it.
I knew you would.
So,
I'm just shocked I never made it for you.
Never. I would have remembered this one, just like I remembered the sweet peas, chickpeas, sweet peas that you made that time with the corn.
The sugar snap peas.
Yeah, the sugar snap peas was good.
That'd be good with this too.
Ain't no sugar in here.
I should have shook it up some, I guess. It's been sitting a couple of days.
Ooh, wee.
But I was anxious,
It's so good.
girl.
It's so
I was
good,
anxious,
y'all. It
girl.
was
I
so
wanted to eat. And hair was shaking it up.
Oh, it's so good.
I wanted to get sugar up with this milk.
It's good.
Okay, honey. I'm not paying you any attention. It's good. Okay, this is #1. Don't forget.
Oh yeah, this is video #1. You're gonna title it such. Video #1.
I gotta do a caramel cake.
Put in the title what it is and video.
For a brand new client I just met yesterday. So.
I just love asparagus. Anyway.
Please don't give me any mushy veggies.
I was telling the people about the potential con artist at that apartment, how nice it is, but that lady trying to get that extra 25.
Helper.
And they was like, yeah, there's something wrong.
Get her head bad, if you know what I'm saying.
Right.
I'm so right. I'm getting ready to put him in the doggy daycare. Child gone and bought everything. No, have me
I wish I
rotten.
could show him his little book bag.
He got a little book bag. A little bag to put a little lunch and treat and water in.
So good. Man.
It's very good. I'm so happy you guys could. You guys are really why I'm here, and my daughter and my granddaughter encouraging me to be here, and you guys and your comments. I'm so happy that my daughter encouraged me to read them and everything, because that's why I'm here. And I'm happy to be here too. I mean, you guys are fantastic.
They really are.
Really are.
They really are.
Thank you so much.
And they always there to support you, no matter what you're going through, good or bad.
I'm going through it.
Negative or positive.
Car going bad.
They always there to support.
But I'm going Monday to get me another car. I ain't finna be bothered with that stuff. I'm not gonna be bothered, honey. I'm gonna get me another one. Boyfriend left me. The hell with him.
The hell with him.
Y'all know they like buses, don't you?
That's all right.
Especially when you got something to work with.
That's right.
God good to me all the time. No.
I'm gonna have to go, y'all. Y'all know my duration time is 15 minutes. Now hers is whatever she make it, because it's her first video. So however long you want it, you pretty much get tagged under that. After the first few videos, they tag you automatically. So, you know, mine is 15 minutes. I don't go past that. If I want y'all to see something from the same video, I do a part 2. That's it.
Well, I think I'm having mine around the same time. Maybe 20, because I am going to be cooking and baking.
Maybe half an hour for you.
Well, we'll see.
Wow. Normally I don't finish my food, but
I held my appetite all day for this. And the asparagus and carrots give a sweetness to it.
Oh, Damon. You know I really hate how people... that was Damon. I call him my brother.
What did he say?
That was the one that was going to meet us.
In Chicago.
In Chicago, yeah. He was saying something, I didn't get to see it all. He was saying he hate when people... He's probably talking about a bad comment that somebody left me. Which, you know, I'm used to it, because, hey, it be like that sometime. All you got to do is just snap back and, you know, keep it moving.
Comments, y'all keep the negative stuff to yourself. Always be positive.
It's a whole bunch of not positive people out there, and when they leave messages, you tell them how you feel and keep it moving. Laugh at them, keep it moving. That's what I do.
Because in order to get somewhere in this world, you got to be positive.
A lot of them don't even have thumbnails. You can't even see their pictures, and they be talking crazy. So
well, that's why they doing it.
That's why they cowards.
They know
they cowards, right? Y'all hiding. A lot of them, not everybody out there.
I tell you what, get you some of this here and eat it, and you'll feel better.
And sit the hell down and
you feel a lot better.
Right.
And quit tripping.
Okay. Cause that's what they be doing, tripping. Go ahead. Get y'all a channel.
And there's a couple other ways you can feel better too.
But for the haters that like to leave those comments, honey, get y'all a channel and do something. You know, create it, make it whichever way y'all want to have it. Instead of coming to somebody else's channel, trying to tell them what to do.
Way to do it.
You can't tell nobody else what to do on their channel, okay? You coming to their channel. So that lets the whole world see how dumb you really are if you leaving a bad comment on someone else's channel. It just makes you look ignorant, okay? Just so you know that, all right? Because I don't want to have to come out the box on you, but y'all know I will. And have no problem with it.
I'm not going to take time because I'm too busy.
I'm going to come out the box on them, then go back to being busy. Well, they know I'm going to let them have it.
I don't have time for stuff like that. I'm too busy. I got my own business I'm running.
I'm saying something.
I'm an administrative assistant 5 days a week, half a day. I come home and do my own thing, and now I got this. I'm even busier now, and I'm loving it. Keep me young. I'm not ready to be old and sit down and
What kind is that?
deteriorate. Try it.
That tastes better.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. That's great.
Yeah.
What is that? Crane grape?
Crane grape.
Yum. That's good.
It was always one of my
Oh,
favorites.
girl, let me get on up out of here, y'all. I gotta go. I forgot all about time.
Okay, you can shut it down, Mom.
Bye, everybody. Take care.
And remember, praise God. And you know it's important to always be cool.
Okay, guys. Thank you for
Bye-bye.
watching, and thanks for supporting my
Love
mom's
you.
channel, Queen D
Cooks.
All right, now.